Hello everyone, and welcome to one of our how-to guides. Thank you so much for joining us today. I'm actually going to do a hand-tied bouquet in water today for you, using that fantastic colour palette of lilacs and blues and greys, which are so popular at the moment. So my shopping list, or my stem count if you like, is 6 stems of Peony Duchesse de Nemours, so we're really treating ourselves today because they are beautiful. Some English delphinium, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stems of delphinium. Got 10 stems of Rose Ocean Song. Now the Rose Ocean Song, such a beautiful delicate shade of lilac, has an outer guard petal that's a slightly different colour tone. So I'm actually going to remove those guard petals. Not that it's not detrimental to the longevity of the flower, doesn't harm them at all. It just tidies the rose up a little bit, makes it look that little bit more presentable. So that's the Ocean Song. Got 2 stems of Hydrangea. Now these ones are actually Colombian Hydrangea, so blue Colombian Hydrangea. Got a bunch of Eucalyptus Cinerea. 4 stems of Salix Pussy Willow and 4 stems of Sirius, Questar, Eryngium. And my usual florist toolkit is a pair of scissors. I've got twine to tie the stems with, 12mm pot tape to cover the tying point, and then I'm going to use some cellophane to wrap it with, and some kind of box or bag, doesn't really matter what you use, and obviously most importantly of all, a jug of water. So let's put it together. So now I'm going to wrap the bouquet. For the base of the bouquet, I've got 2 80cm square sheets of cellophane. Just move those out of the way. I also have some sheets of Kraft paper that have been folded at such an angle so you get 4 points. And repeat again with the cellophane. So again, the 80cm square, but folded to the position where you get the 4 points. And to match the Kraft paper, I've got a craft bag to pop the bouquet in when it's completed. Now the hand-tied bouquet that I've produced here today is really suitable for any occasion. It actually speaks for itself. It can say thank you, it can say I'm sorry, it can say congratulations, happy birthday, thinking of you. It doesn't contain alcohol and doesn't contain calories. What better present could you have? Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed our demonstration today of a hand-tied bouquet. Don't forget to tune into our YouTube channel for more lovely tips and hints on bouquets, arrangements and every type of flower arrangement that you can possibly think of. Don't forget to like us and share us with your friends, and I look forward to catching up with you again very soon. Bye for now.